We already looked at option 1 and option 2. Now let's look at a combination of these two options, which become option 3. Basically, we're trying to get financing for our EAT, or our exchange accommodation title holder, for our reverse exchange, so we can acquire the property, right? It's going to be a combination of a loan from both a third-party lender and the exchanger, which is you, the real estate investor themselves, to cover all the necessary funds for the EAT. So let's see how this works. In some cases, the third-party lender might not be willing to lend 100% of the fund required for the EAT, so they want your skin in the game more. So when this happens, you will need to bridge the gap between the amount that they're willing to lend and the short of the funds that the EAT needs, right? So in this case, you can provide like cash loan to the EAT from your own resources. Essentially, you basically supplementing the loan from a third-party lender with the additional funds to ensure that the EAT have access to the full amount needed to purchase property, your replacement property. Combining loans offer a flexible solution that allow you to leverage both the external financing and your own resource, right, to meet the financial requirement. Anytime that you borrowing somebody money, or especially with real estate, complicated, right? So you want to make sure you get all the terms and all the conditions of both, like from the third party and from your own resources, right? If you pulling the money out from, like a HELOC or some kind of equity line, or like from your business loan, and then you want to make sure that you understand all the terms, the interest rate, the repayment schedule, and all the associated fees, right? You want to make sure that you have all the financial capacity to close the deal, right? Because if the deal go through all this fees and all this time, all this effort gonna go wasted. And again, do talk to your qualified intermediary and also your financial advisor to make sure that all the dots are connected. Let's move on to the next topic.